Dear friends, today I am going to speak on LIC Development Officer's job profile. As you know, LIC Development Officer post is truly a very attractive one. Once you pass the written test conducted by LIC, you will be called for an oral interview. And if you are selected after the interview, you will be having an initial training in LIC campus. After the training, you will be sent to one of the branches where you will be able to learn the different aspects of administration. And you will be able to learn all about LIC policies, and you will be able to learn how claim is settled, how loan is given, how survival benefit is given, and other various aspects of the branch. And you will be able to meet many LIC agents, development officers, other staff members, and branch manager and other class 1 officers. And after the administrative training, you will be posted in one of the branches selected by LIC. You will be on probation and you will be given stipulated target during this probation period. Your job will be to recruit specific number of agents who will be able to sell LIC policies. These agents will be given initial training by you for procuring LIC business, and you will be in charge of these LIC agents during the probation period. When you are able to recruit sufficient number of agents and able to collect sufficient first year premium and LIC policies and activate sufficient number of agents, you will be able to get the confirmation as a LIC development officer. Once you are confirmed as LIC development officer, you will become a permanent employee of LIC and you will be able to get all the benefits stipulated by LIC for the cadre of development officer. The very first year as development officer, you will be given a two-wheeler which you can select from any automobile shop, and this two-wheeler will be purchased on interest-free loan by LIC, and this interest-free loan amount will be deducted from your salary every month. Moreover, you will be given telephone facilities in your place of stay, and you can use this telephone for communicating with your agents, with staff members and other customers. With the two-wheeler, you will be able to meet many number of agents, recruit new agents, conduct joint calls for doing LIC business, and also to go to the branch to give LIC proposals collected by your agents, remit the premium collected by you during the joint calls. With the two-wheeler, you will be able to visit different places in your area and recruit new agents. And once you become successful development officer, and you are able to bring more number of policies and more premium and qualify more number of agents as stipulated by LIC, you will be able to get a new car on interest-free loan by LIC. This loan amount will be deducted monthly from your salary. Thus, your prestige will be increased in the society and you will be able to go to the car to meet your agents to bring higher premium during the joint calls. After a successful career as development officer for more than 5 years, you will be able to go for interview for the next promotion as assistant branch manager, and you will be required to complete stipulated number of policies and stipulated amount of first premium and lapse ratio and number of qualified agents as set by the LIC rules. Based on this, you will be called for interview. Once you are successful in the interview, you will be posted as assistant branch manager, sales in one of the branches selected by LIC. And in short, this LIC development officer post is very attractive and you will be like a king in your territory given to you. If required, you can go on promotion, or if you are not interested in promotion, you can continue as development officer till your retirement. Every time you will be recruiting new agents, going with them for big LIC policies and conduct joint calls and recruit new agents and give them training every month. Thus, you will be the happiest person in this job and you will be very much satisfied because you will be your own boss. Thank you very much.